Today we are going to look inside Riverside Bowling Center, which is a 40 years old bowling center. We are going to look at how it works. I repair computer for them. This is the laptop for the accounting system. 10 years old already. This is the manager and his wife, who is the assistant manager. Brand new bowling ball. This one is many years ago one. New seat with basketball machine from China. Pool table. 1 hour 10 ringgit. Very cheap. Computer game from China. Very old game actually. This is the canteen, selling all kind of junk food and Maggi mee. Reception. You can pay by bus. And this is my friend Lucky Cat. They arrange a lot of tournament. This is the old chair with a new leather. This is a new TV. They upgrade the system already to Windows 2000. But the keyboard still using the old one. This is the one that lubricate the lens. Have to do it very often. This is the mechanic shop. Mechanic room. At the back there. Got drinks, got food, got toilet. Everything here because they have to stay here for a long time. This is the computer used by the bowling lane. One CPU control 2 lane. Very old computer from the 90s. You cannot find spare part here. Here's the back. Computer running SSD on IDE. This is the machine that control everything. Machine made in America, but has been changed many times because one China company bought all the parts and then refurbish everything and sell it to all the bowling center. A lot of spare parts to change. This is one the running machine. You can see the machine has been modified because many parts cannot be found anymore, so they just change it to local parts that can easily obtain from any mechanical shop. You can see a lot of moving parts here. It costs a lot of money to maintain and repair this machine. You can see the sprocket in the rubber is using spare parts from the local supplier. This one is the server, control everything here. The server is a Pentium 4 from Dell. This one is a sound system for the music.
Sekarang waktu 1 tahun, sepi lah semuanya macam dah anggap macam family.
Ada orang marah kan?
Hah?
Ada orang marah kamu ah?
Selalu leh.
Selalu lah. Ada nangis lah?
Selalu leh. Kamu bully saya.
Oke.
Kamu bully saya, tak kali kamu datang kamu bully saya.
Oke.
Itu.
Oh, itu orang lah.
Itu orang.
Itu orang ada bully kamu lah.
Ya, memang kena bully lah.
Okay, okay.
Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.